Have you ever noticed how quickly sibling disagreements can escalate, turning minor squabbles into full-blown arguments where no one seems to be listening? Cool-down breaks are incredibly effective in sibling conflicts because they interrupt that escalation cycle, allowing emotions to de-intensify before constructive problem-solving can even begin. They create a necessary space for everyone to reset. The core mechanism behind this effectiveness lies in brain science. When children are overwhelmed by strong emotions like anger or frustration, the part of their brain responsible for logical thought and impulse control, known as the prefrontal cortex, becomes less active. At the same time, the amygdala, which is the brain's emotional center, takes over. A cool-down break gives the nervous system a chance to regulate itself and calm down, allowing the logical brain to come back online. This shift from a primal fight or flight response to a more composed state is crucial for children to process their feelings, hear each other, and think about solutions instead of just reacting impulsively. Implementing these breaks effectively involves a few simple steps. First, recognize the early signs of escalation, such as yelling, name-calling, or physical aggression. Second, calmly state the need for a break, for example, by saying something like, "It looks like you both need a break to cool down. Let's separate for a few minutes." Guide each child to a quiet, separate space without judgment. The goal is not punishment, but rather a chance to regain composure. Third, set a time limit, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the child's age and temperament. You can use a visual timer to help them understand. An interesting detail here is the concept of co-regulation. Initially, parents often need to help their children learn how to calm down during these breaks by offering comforting words or a quiet activity. Over time, children internalize these strategies and develop self-regulation skills, becoming more capable of managing their own emotions independently. This transition is a significant developmental milestone for emotional intelligence. Ultimately, utilizing cool-down breaks in sibling conflicts provides your children with a vital life skill: the ability to manage intense emotions and approach disagreements with a clear mind. By teaching them to pause and reset, you are not only reducing immediate conflict, but also empowering them to build stronger, more resilient relationships with their siblings and others throughout their lives.